Today I'm reviewing these string lights I just put up. They have Edison bulbs. I'm so happy with them. They came in 60-foot strands. They were super easy to put up, and I think they just made my courtyard just look great back here. Provide great atmosphere. It just like instantly smiled when I came back here. This house is kind of a fixer-upper, still is. But yeah, they work great. They're easy to install. I like that each strand, this is two 60-foot strands. So this is 120 feet total. And this is a pretty big area right here, you know. And they're pretty nice as they have these little hooks. You can see that you can run the wires off of them and they interconnect just fine. And yeah, they just provide a good feel, not just a nice light, provides a good, nice ambience. I got lucky where I have this light has an outlet box on it, so I was able to just run it right off of there, and so I have no wires going down like that. So definitely recommend doing that. And the other thing is the junction connection, like right here, is even though it's like suspended, it totally locks into place, so it's not going to come loose on accident. That's a really nice feature. You can hear it click and lock into place. But yeah, definitely recommend getting these lights, and I hope they cheer you up and make you as happy as they did for me.